Welcome back to Spirit Work and Potions. Today we're going to make a dark solstice cocktail, which is going to have a little bit of rum. It's going to be kind of dark and spicy, so let's do that. We're going to start with half an ounce of Roku gin into a shaker, and then if I can get the bottle open, we're going to do 1.5 ounces of black rum, but you could also use another kind of dark rum if you'd like Appleton or Myers, but use Bermuda black rum. Then we're going to do half an ounce of blackcurrant liqueur or cassis, followed by 3/4 ounce of grapefruit juice, and then half an ounce of lime juice, and then 1/8 teaspoon of activated charcoal into the shaker, half an ounce of fresh cinnamon syrup, and finally 2 dashes of Bitter Truth bitters. Add some ice to the shaker and shake that vigorously for about 15 seconds. Next, get a glass, throw a big ice cube in there, and strain that through a Hawthorne strainer right into your glass. And there you have it, a dark solstice. It's kind of fruity and dark and with like a little bit of spicy back notes. I think you'll like it. Let me know if you give it a try. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It really does help me out a tremendous lot. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.